How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make animated GIF in Photoshop for a simple animation. Now, I'm not an artist myself, so I'll draw a simple image right here of a face. But of course, the goal here is to make things quick. So I have my first layer. You can just keep adding multiple layers, and to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and trace my first layer right here. But of course you can hide the other layer if you want to. But in this animation, I'll just simply make the smile bigger and bigger. And let's do the second or third layer. And with this one, let's draw a circular mouth. And of course, from here, you get the point. You can keep adding layers if you want to. Some other animators out there add something like 10 layers and above. But from there, you just have to click on Windows, click Timeline, and then this window will show up. Just click on the drop down menu and you want to select the Create Frame Animation. Now head over to the hamburger icon, which is going to be this one, and then select the Make Frames from Layer option. From there, it will then transfer our layers onto frames. So you just have to make sure that the forever is selected since we're making a GIF. And if we play on the layer right here, it should go ahead and look something like this. Once again, of course, this could be a lot better, but I'm not an artist myself. You could keep adding layers to make sure that your GIF works better or looks better. And that's basically it. You can now export this into something like GIF file and you should be good to go. So the final one is to just click on file, click export, and then we can export it as for web legacy, and that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.